Okay, so we just got through harvesting Adrian's donor. I just fit all the anesthesias in, and we made all the initial sites where the grafts are going to go. How are you feeling?
Super great.
How
Amazing.
how does this compare to your FUE procedure?
Super different. The FUE is super tedious. Right now is very nice.
So was there more pain with the FUE?
More pain.
With the FUE.
Yeah.
Okay. So this was easier.
Super easy.
Okay, excellent. So we did the Max Harvest Plus hair transplant. We were able to get Adrian about 80 square centimeters of hair. So I was able to fill his entire area. You can see the initial slits. These are where we put the tiny little one hair grafts all the way around the front. We build behind that with the follicular units behind that. And then we put those multiple follicular grafts all the way through the center and into the crown. So if you look back here, you'll see we have the pattern made out for we're going to fill his entire head from front to back. The suture line closed beautifully. You can see it on the sides here. The beautiful closure. He had excellent elasticity. He's been a great patient. Everything's going perfect. So far we've been in the OR approximately maybe about 2.5, 3 hours tops, and everything's just going perfect. Is there anything you'd like to say to the camera?
Yes, remember, when you are a great patient, great result.
Excellent.